everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Amazon Chime application for your Android device. Since it's pretty easy, let's jump right into the video. First, make sure that you've connected your Android device to a stable internet. Next, tap Open Play Store from your Android home screen. Once you open up your Google Play Store, go to the search box and type in Amazon Chime. You'll soon find it in the search result. Simply get this application, tap it open, and then tap on the install button to begin the download. Amazon Chime is a communication and collaboration platform offered by Amazon Web Services. The app includes features such as video conferencing, online meetings, and chat. Once the application is done with the download process, you'll be able to see the open button popping up. Tap on open to launch Open Amazon Chime on your Android device. So that is how you can easily download and install Amazon Chime on your Android. You can now sign up or sign in to your account like you normally do. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.